Everything wrong with Pentagon's naughty boy.
청개구리.
Is Hawaii allowed to look this good? War flashbacks to edawn starting Shine. This is definitely not allowed. More Shine references. My heart can't take this. Imagine actually being in a car they're watching What the Heel. What does this scene even mean? That's yanan controlling the frog. We love a king of babysitting. What the fuck these girlies doing here? We love catchy fun dances. Love you too, boys. Best part of the music video, -9 sins. Save them.
난 절대로 하란 대로 하지 않지 팔랑팔랑 기소가도 7.8기 더 지난 밤이래도 너 앞에 왜 이래 청바지에 청자켓 걸친 개구리 개구리 노래를 한다 대굴 굴러가 박힌 돌배도 살다 보면
I hope no one's in that suit. Damn, they really got something against the frog. Everyone shut up. This is the cutest thing in the world. This is all I will talk about for the rest of my life. No one exists besides Mr. Go Shinwon. All sins cleared off the table. He has cleansed us. edawn and yanan are in this just so they can all fit into this tiny ass car. A sacrifice.
누리게 사랑하지 우리 나라 같이 노래도 해 네 앞에 놓지 날 keeping it on 네가 원하는 건 뭐든 되고 싶어 그냥 내 곁에만 늘 있어줘 난 약속하리요 영원히 받들겠어
Please tell me Woo Zuck is not on the hood, this big bitch.
청개구리
We came through with that stomach exposure, but Jinho out here with a shirt underneath. They waited for the leader so they could do this cute little dance. I'm crying, sisters. Is that yanan passionately lip-syncing to Woo Zuck, Ocean View? Oh my god. The ending was beautiful, completely erased all sins once again. In conclusion, this is the best music video ever to exist. Total sin count, 0. Sentence: we love and support Pentagon through their thickest times, especially when they never disappoint by making bops after bops. Also thanks for Shinwon lines.